What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, we got the CVO in the back. It's time to get this thing cleaned up. Man, I have not cleaned this thing in weeks. This thing is like, it's not dirty, but it's just like dusty as heck. Man, my glasses is actually dusty as heck too. I need to clean them too. But without further ado, man, let's clean this thing up. Ooh wee, boy. That chrome is hidden. That chrome sparkled up, boy. Just look at that thing. Thing go crazy. Wow. Hitting like diamonds. Alrighty, man, that was a cool little ride. We just made it to BBV, man. We about to go in here and see how much the damage is gonna be and what the damage is, because I believe they found a little bit more damage. So let's go check it out and see what they got for us, man. But before we go all the way in, I want to show you guys my bike. I think it's looking real clean and snazzy. They actually have the same exact one here for sale. So we'll see how much they want for it and if it has any aftermarket parts or anything like that. So let's check it out. So I believe it is right here. This is the same exact bike. And they want $17,800, 50,000 miles on it. That's crazy. Looks good though. Definitely looks pretty cool. I like how it has the OEM bags on there. That's the only thing that got me beat is these bags. But other than that, I think we got him.
So, I mean, chrome forks are really nice.
Oh yeah, they on here, bet.
Really good,
Yeah, it does look good.
all right, so yeah, you need rotors. You obviously need a tire.
So the rotors are bent.
The rotors are bent, yeah.
Okay.
And
Are they bad enough to where I can't ride it?
Well,
bent?
no, you can ride it, but what you're gonna have to do is what happens is as you're riding,
It's gonna
pushes,
jerk.
it just pushes the pistons out.
Right.
So then when you grab brake, it doesn't feel like anything's there, and you gotta pump it a couple times.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. Nah.
So
I'd rather
really
get
dangerous, especially on the
Yeah.
phones.
Want to get the rotors. Okay.
Another
Bet.
thing, I didn't know if you want your mirrors.
Right.
I happen to have a new set upstairs.
Okay.
And it's only $40 if you want.
All right.
While we're putting it together. That's
Right.
up to you.
Yeah.
I don't know if you have regular handlebar mirrors.
Yeah. No, I don't have any on. That was. It didn't come with
I was
that.
gonna say if you wanted regular ones, then I would just take that out. But
Oh,
if you wanted to
okay.
throw them on.
Yeah. Now we could probably just throw them on there. Cause I. Oh yeah. I need two of them. Was
Yep.
one of them good or?
No, the other
It only had
that
one.
Yeah, that one's
Okay.
gone,
Bet.
that one's broken. So.
All right.
It's funny. So the handlebars you brought over.
Right.
This one actually has kind of an oddball setup. So
Oh, so it's different.
Yeah, but we didn't find it in a set. We just
Oh,
found it
okay.
out. But yeah, because it's not internally run
Right.
and it has throttle by wire.
Right.
So all the other bars are throttle by wire, but
And
all
it's
internally. ran.
Yeah, I was
So they don't
noticing
have
that.
a divot.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
So, but we got that all figured out.
Okay,
everything.
good.
So
So these are the same bars or different ones?
these are different ones. They're
Oh,
same,
okay.
it's same OEM.
Oh,
bars,
okay. All right, for sure.
But just different.
Yeah, for sure. So it's not bent up here no more. Then we good.
Nope, you should be all good up here.
Bet. Did you guys figure this out? Oh,
Yep.
bet. Ooh. Okay,
Yeah.
bet. We good to go there, man. So now y'all just waiting on me then. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well,
So I didn't know if you're gonna do the other wheel. I don't know what you're planning to do.
yeah, cause I want to throw that other wheel on here. I know it'll help it sell, but just the different wheels is kind of like I don't know.
Oh, where
But
it doesn't match. front
Yeah,
and back?
exactly. But I think that chrome wheel will help it sell. You
Yeah.
guys got a black fender, like just a
Yeah.
stock black fender? Cause that'll just tie it all in.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. I figured since the front end was bent, I wasn't positive if they had one or not.
Right? Yeah. No, that fender is toast.
Well, the only one I have is that one, and that one's bent up too.
Oh, it's bent. All right. All right. Well, shoot. I'll just try to find one. So the rotors at Harley, is it pretty expensive? They like what, $2 something
No, they're $158.
a piece?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's why. Yeah, I was like, I forgot how much I got my thing for. All right.
I know I had us in an aftermarket one,
Right.
but a different size. So
Oh,
they're
okay.
the 11.5s, not the 11.8s.
Not the 8 ones. Okay. Dang, that's crazy. All these bikes, no rotors around here.
I know. Well, I use them so often.
Okay,
so.
bet. Makes sense.
Now, if you go with the
What is
the
it?
CVO ones, you switch over too. So yeah, because I have that that year of bike rotors.
Oh,
right now,
okay, yeah, right,
And then
right,
I have the OEM Harley ones.
Right. So this is the bike. They got it pretty much all done, y'all. Got a few parts ready to go, but you know.
This Harley's the same blue.
Yeah. This thing look good.
Same blue.
Wow. Hey, that's crazy, man. So what's up, man? What y'all trying to do? Is that a customer bike or is that your bike?
Kind of it's on a holding pattern, but I might be able to snag that fender.
Oh, okay, hey, man. Well, let me know. If the rotors come too, man, that'll be perfect. Alrighty, guys, man, we just hopped off the bike for a hot sec, pulled up to the auction, man. Let's see what they got real quick now, shall we? All right, man, y'all know I'm digging a trailer. Y'all know I'm digging a trailer right here. I'm digging it. Let's see what it's looking like, dog. Slide this up. You know, we got garages now, so we can put the whole trailer inside the garage. Oh yeah, yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, we definitely need this. Got a little tequila kick over there, but all in all, this seemed pretty fair, man. I'm gonna have to see what's up with Daddy U right here. Yeah, this will be easy to load the motorcycle up for sure, and it'll be cool to have on the back of the truck, man. What y'all think? Got another little trailer here. I don't really care for this one, but what y'all think? Let me know. Got a 2013 Honda here, 52,000 miles, Honda Accord. Looks really, really good. I don't see any damage or anything like that. If we take a quick look at the inside, it does look really good. Got a few flame stains, but no big deal. No big deal. Does look really good in here, and the mileage is really low. So this will be something to keep your eye on. However, we are at one of the more expensive auctions in town, so we'll see how that works out. We'll see, man. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. I would say they got this in the auction, but they don't. They're doing polishing, so if you see, that's before. Now just look at after. That thing look crazy. It definitely look way better. I probably need to get the vet hit up, but this thing is looking really good. Just look at the whole before and after. You can probably see it like this better. You guys can just see how it's like dull on that side. That thing look clean, dog. I'm digging it. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below, dog. We got a 05 Mazda RX-8, 125,000 miles, code AC, title on hand, so we can literally buy this today and sell it today. But I don't think RX-8s are that popular anymore. Underneath the hood and everything looks to be in order and fair for the most part. Take a quick look at the inside. It is a manual transmission, so that's a plus. That's what everybody who wants these cars want. Got a little bit of backroom space, no big deal in there. Seems pretty simple, fair. Paint is a little bit fading, but It's no real body damage, so that's a plus there, man. What do you guys think about the Mazda, man? Let me know in the comments below, big dogs. I don't really want the Mustang. I'm actually good on it. I don't care how many miles it got. Nice little Camry. You guys seen the Benz? They got it looking cleaner than it was last week, excuse me. They got some 300s here. They got a little bit of everything here today. Oh, they got a Caprice. Let's see. Oh no, it's not a Caprice, it's a Cutlass. But all in all, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, dog. I know my dad would probably be interested in something like this. The body is in really good condition. I don't know if it runs. They say they got no key. We can look underneath the hood and stuff. Just look inside real quick. Y'all know I like the old school cars if you can find them for a deal. And I'm pretty sure this one is gonna go for a deal. I mean, it is what it is. Get this thing repainted back that same color. This thing would be nice. LS swap this joint, clean it up under here, it'd be good to go. That thing look filthy right now, but it's definitely got potential, man. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. We can just see what else they got. We're not really doing a whole walk around today, but they got a few cars up here, a few decent whips, man. Decent whips. I got this Infinity all smashed up. That thing is whooped. But yeah, let's see. I swear this bike is a beast, dog. I'm digging it, man. I low-key want to put this front wheel on that blue bike, man, just to give it a little bit of shine, man. But I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? CVO is looking good, though. Running good. A1. So, alrighty, guys. That's probably going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We went down to BBV. We checked on the blue bike. The blue bike is pretty much done. The new forks are in. The new bars are on. Everything straightened out. So we're literally just waiting on 2 rotors. They said the rotors I had was a little bent. And so we're going to get new rotors and new brake pads for that, as well as we're waiting on the front fender. So that thing is going to be hanging out there over the weekend. We'll probably get that back like Tuesday. So with that being said, man, we'll probably be on the bike this weekend. We might slide to the city. We might not. Don't know just yet. But hey, with that being said, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.